Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to parse the JSON data using PERL. Let me show you the sample JSON file which I'm going to use in this video. I hope you guys understand JSON, what is JSON and its format. Okay, so these are the few lines which I have already written. For JSON to be parsed, we need JSON module to be installed. If it is not installed, you can go ahead and install it's using sudo cpan JSON. JSON should be in capital letters. That will install from the internet. Next, I have used a data dumper. The data dumper is used to dump the output on standard output. I have declared a variable called myJSON. Then I'm reading the file where the JSON data is stored. It's json.txt. This statement is not able to open the file. This will exit from the processing. Next, I have loaded the raw data onto the JSON. Then I have closed the file descriptor. Then I have declared another variable called that. In that, I loaded the raw JSON data which decoded into the JSON. Next, I have used a dumper to dump the whole data onto the standard output. Let me execute and show you the output of the script. So now you can see the whole JSON data from the file which is dumped onto our standard output. So let me show you how to parse this from here. Suppose if you want to parse this part, like batter type an ID, will display only type and ID in the standard output. So you can see only the type and IDs. If you want ID 1001 and the type regular, we have to traverse furthermore. Let me show you. So now you got the type and the ID. But you see there are multiple values, you cannot go one by one. So now I'm going to show you how to loop the data so that you no need to traverse through each data to get the exact value. I will show you how to loop the all IDs and type inside the batter. for each my dollar variable, any name as per your wish, at lst1 is the actual variable where the data is stored. It's a list, and inside the list there is a dictionary, so we have to use another for each to extract the values. I print type /t dollar val dy e type /n id :t dollar val reference id. Guys, this is going to be a trial and error, so if I come up with some errors, I will figure it out and fix it. Closing the loop, closing the loop. So I hope all the types and IDs will be displayed. Yeah, it's here now. So yeah, that's it. You got all the type and the IDs from the first value. So furthermore, if we can drill down, we can go ahead and retrieve all the names and IDs and toppings from the JSON data. So let's JSON. So right now we have retrieved this part. So furthermore, the same way we can go ahead and retrieve these things as well. And I'm going to show you as a final demo is I'm going to retrieve the name, ID and toppings for each of the three different dictionaries are in these JSON. So I'm gonna retrieve this ID, name and then toppings. name, as I told you, dollar val name. In close bracket, semicolon, print item id, dollar val id, the new line for clear formatting, and another for loop to retrieve toppings. Dollar $toppng from dollar val topping topping. I'm missing something here. I don't know what I'm missing. Yeah, got it. And this is again it's so one more for my dollar topping at dollar ng. So it's going to be closing the for loop, print $n for clear understanding, semicolon. Let's execute it. Let's see what we get. Some error, so I have missed some curly braces. Let's figure it out. So it says where I missed 32. Yeah, so I don't see toppings in the standard output. Let's see what went wrong here. Let's decode it. Everything will be here. Then for each okay, it's a spell mistake. Topping. Yeah, if you see first name is the cake and its ID is 0001 and its list, everything is here. The second one is raised and its ID is 0002 and its topping is here. The third is old fashioned and its ID is 0003 and its topping is here. The same way we can go ahead and retrieve all the data, batter and toppings, everything. So that's all guys. This is just a sample video of how to parse a JSON data using PERL. I will try to elaborate more on this thing and further upcoming videos. Thanks guys, thanks a lot. Hope I'll get a good response and I'll make more videos on coming future, and like to see your comments as well. Please do share the comments. It's either negative or positive, help me to improve my videos. Thanks guys, thanks a lot.